Using a contact us form or lead capturing form on your website for the business, but getting confused where to get these leads, where to put these leads after getting captured. So this is a perfect solution video for you. Here I have simply connected my lead capturing form from website and my CRM in such a way that every time a form will be submitted by any of my lead, for example like this. So these are the details of the lead. I have submitted a test response in front of you, and let's say this is for a digital marketing agency. So the service in which the lead is interested is WhatsApp marketing automation. In front of you, when I have submitted this form, which is attached on my website, I will take you towards my CRM, and when we'll go towards the contact section, you can see that the same lead is created over here with all the details without any manual efforts. I have simply created this automation by connecting both my applications without any coding and programming skills. So I'm going to show you how you can also create this amazing automation for your business so that next time you receive a new lead from website, it does not get missed. It is automatically recorded in your CRM. Okay, so let's get started. To quickly start the process, I am already on the landing page of my automation tool, that is Pabbly Connect. You can reach here by typing the URL pabbly.com/connect on your browser. After coming over here, you will find sign in and sign up for free options. If you are an existing user like me, simply click on sign in to log in. And if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button, which will help you to create a free new account just in 2 minutes. Also, once you will do that, you will be receiving 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. After connecting multiple applications of your business, creating integrations and automations, and realizing that this automation software is really very easy to use and worth purchasing, you can use my coupon code SHRYT that is given in the description and on the left side of the screen to purchase any plan that you require according to your requirements, and you will be receiving guaranteed discounts by using my coupon, and that too, I promise the highest discounts. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly log in. I am already on the dashboard after login, and here I'm going to click on this create workflow option to build a new workflow. We have 3 options over here. Among these 3 options, I'm going to use the easiest one, that is the quick builder, with the help of which we can create entire automation in just a simple line prompt. Here you just have to type what you want to connect. I want to connect my website form to capture the leads and my CRM, that is HubSpot. So in order to capture the leads, I have attached the form on my website, and that form is created using Typeform. So here I'm going to connect Typeform with HubSpot CRM. As soon as this line is sent over here, it is saying which Typeform trigger should start this workflow. Every time a new form is submitted with the help of a new entry, the workflow should start. Okay, so I've selected new entry, and then which HubSpot CRM action would you like for creating the contact? Here I want to create a new contact whenever the form is submitted by the lead. So I have selected create a contact, and as per the instructions, the template is ready. Typeform and HubSpot CRM. Let's approve and create the workflow, and after creating, let's open it in a new tab. When the workflow is ready, we just have to build a connection. So this is my Typeform account, and here is the form that I've created. Okay, so quickly I'm going to build the connection. For that, make sure that whichever form application you're using for capturing the website leads, keep logging to that before building this connection to make it easier and smooth as the process. So let's click on connect. To build the connection, I'm going to go towards add new connection. We'll click on connect with Typeform, and here we can see that the account is given. We will simply accept the terms and condition. And here the form is already selected. I only have a single form, so I'm going to go with it. If you have multiple, you can select from the drop down which form you want to connect over here. When we'll click on save and send test request button, here we have received a test response, and when the form will be submitted in real, the response will be captured over here. So I'm going to take you towards Typeform. This is my form. I'm going to copy the link of the form, and I will open it in a new tab to submit it. And quickly in front of you, with some dummy details of lead, I'm going to submit this form. Let's say the first name of the lead is Amazing One, and the last name is Lead. Amazing One Lead, and let's say the phone number of the lead is for India. Okay, a random email I'm going to enter, and a company name. Okay, let's say this is the company, And now it is asking which service are you interested in. So basically I'm collecting the leads from a digital marketing agency. So there are some services that I'm providing, and whichever service the lead will be interested in, they can select. So let's say they are interested in content creation. As soon as I'm going to submit this response, I will take you back towards Pabbly Connect, and within few seconds the response will be captured over here. And here you can see that we got the response. In the response, we have received all details that we have submitted in the form. So this is the lead name. Here we have the phone number, email, the company name, and the service in which they are interested. Now, as we have received the details of the lead, we can easily transfer them to any of our CRM. I am using HubSpot CRM over here. So I will quickly build the connection. I'm already logged into my HubSpot CRM account. And here let's click on connect. Okay, I'm going to go with an existing connection, but to create a new connection, you can click on add new connection, connect with HubSpot CRM, select your account, and your connection will be successfully made. Okay. After the connection, all these details which you want to fill, you can enter one by one. So if you have received address, revenue, city, close date, company name, etc., map them one by one. What is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from the previous response. We map the data to make it dynamic so that every time a new response will be captured, automatically the data could be come into consideration and it could be changed automatically with the new response. So when the form will be submitted, new data will be automatically updated in our CRM. So here I have received a company name, so I'm going to simply map that. When you will click on slash like this, here you will receive the previous response. In the previous response, whatever you want, for example, I want the company name, you can insert it like this and it is mapped. Now it has become dynamic and automatically with every new response, it will replace. Here we have some other details as well. These are not mandatory and also I've not received them, so I will be ignoring them. Here I will simply type email and we have received the email, so I will map that. Then here we have received the first name. Okay. Then we have received other details as well. Here we have phone number. Some other details are given. I will map the last name as well. And here under membership notes, I am going to map the service name. Okay, now as we have mapped all the details, I will quickly click on save and send test request button. If you have received other details as well, you can map them according to your requirements. When we'll do that, we will receive a response. Here we got the response and this is the ID. That means our lead is created as a contact in HubSpot. So let's quickly go towards contact section. And here you can see that yes, my lead is created over here. When I'm going to open this lead, and you can see that all the information are updated over here in this contact. Okay, so in this way our automation is created. The connection is successfully built between my website lead capturing form and my CRM. Here I have just taken the example of type form in HubSpot CRM, but you can connect in a similar way any of the applications, any of the form application you are using on your website to capture lead as a contact form, and any of your CRM that you are using in order to maintain the record of your leads. Okay, so I hope this automation is clear to you. It is helpful for your business. If you like this automation, do not forget to subscribe the channel. Also, for more such amazing, useful and helpful videos related to automations and new use cases for your business, you can comment down whatever your requirements are. I hope the automation is clear to you, and if you like the video, if you like this automation really and you want to build it on your own, do not forget to use my coupon code for purchasing Pabbly Connect or Pabbly Plus plan. Also, the checkout link is given in the description, and when you will use my coupon code, exclusive discounts are guaranteed. Thank you for watching.